Hello, I'm Alan Hawes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build and debug your Modus Toolbox application that we've been building. When you are working on an embedded design, there are a number of IDE functions that you use almost all the time. Most obviously, running the debugger, and you want to have access to that quickly. We invented the Modus Toolbox perspective in Eclipse to help you with that. In most Eclipse tools, you need to switch between the editing and debugging screens quite a lot. Our perspective merges them into one view with views for things such as variables and breakpoints that are available all of the time. Over here we have the news view where we post information about new development kits, software releases, and other general sort of design observations, as well as real-life working examples. There is a docs view with links to the help and supplementary information about the devices you've chosen for your application. That was a brief look at the Modus Toolbox perspective. To show you how easy it is to program and debug your kit, I will quickly write a small program using our previous configuration. Our project template gives you a shell main function. Notice that it calls the function to initialize the clocks, pens, and so on. That got set up in the device configurator that we used earlier on. I'll include the standard I/O header so I can use printf. I'll create two variables, one for the UART context and one for my code to use. Then I'll initialize and enable the UART using the configuration struct that was generated by the device configurator tool. Nice and easy. In my main loop, I'll print out the variable and wait for 1000 milliseconds. Then I'll loop back around again and do it again. All right, let's build the program. You've already seen the quick panel. It has all of the build and debug options you'll ever need. I'll press build. All of the 5 projects that make up the total application get built and linked into a single downloadable image. Now I can program it or run the debugger. I'll debug using the kitprog 3, but you can also use a Segur J-Link. The debugger starts up without having to switch perspectives. I'll put a breakpoint in main and press the Go button. Okay, I've hit the breakpoint. In a terminal window, such as Teraterm or Putty, you can see the messages coming through when I press Go. Thank you very much for watching. I'm very excited about our new tool, Modus Toolbox, and I would like to hear what you think. If you have technical questions, please post them to the Cypress developer community at community.cypress.com. I watch that site closely, and so does my whole applications team, so you will get quick responses to your questions. If you want to send me a personal note with an observation or a suggestion, my email is alanhawes@cypress.com or tweet me at AskIoTExpert. Why are you guys still here? You're supposed to go edit your project, build something, make something, be great, start typing, get to it.